Chocolate mousse may well be the ultimate chocolate fix. Rich and creamy, yet light and fluffy. One pot is satisfying, but always leaves me wanting more. Oh, and don't be fooled by the French name. It's just quick and easy to make. So guys, on the video, you'll see all the ingredients we'll need for this dessert. Next, you'll see the price for each ingredient. But since this is for business, I bought inexpensive chocolate but a really good one. Also, you'll see how much is the actual cost for each dahil hindi naman lahat ay magagamit natin. Pwede pa natin gamitin ang natira para sa susunod na batch. Makikita nyo rin guys na sa maliit na puhunan for only 212 pesos, makakagawa na tayo ng 8 tubs of chocolate mousse. Pwede rin natin itong ibenta ng 90 pesos each at kumita ng 508 pesos. So let's get started! First, just cut the chocolate into small pieces unless you're using chocolate chips. Then melt the chocolate together with 100 ml of cream in a heat-proof bowl on a double boiler. But guys, make sure the bottom of the bowl isn't touching the simmering water. Once the chocolate is completely melted, let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, whisk the remaining 450 ml whipping cream in a separate bowl until soft peaks form. Now guys, just add the cooled chocolate in portions to the whipped cream and continue to whisk until all the chocolate are mixed properly and firm peaks form. Then for me guys, I added 50 grams sugar, but it's just optional. Then continue to whisk it. And now, put it on a container or tubs and set it in the fridge. So now, we'll move on to our meringue. Just separate your eggs while they are cold and then allow them to come to room temperature for the fluffiest meringue. By the way guys, before I whisk it, I already mixed the vinegar to the egg whites on this video. Then add the sugar as shown on the video. You can actually use cream of tartar to help stabilize the meringue to hold its form. But if you don't have one, you can always use lemon juice or vinegar. Take care not to overwhip your meringue. It should have a smooth and glossy look. Now, place the meringue on a piping bag and put on the top of chocolate mousse. And then burn it with blue torch, or you can serve it just like that directly. We're done! Pwede nang ibenta ang ating sosyal pero di mahal na dessert. Good luck! Thank you for watching! Subscribe na rin kayo and hit the bell button for more negosyo and delicious recipes.